Imagine you are in a charming Irish village, having just shared a lovely chat with a local shopkeeper. As you prepare to leave, you want to offer a warm and authentic farewell, something more personal than just a simple goodbye. You recall hearing the beautiful Irish word slán, but how do you use it correctly to make that connection truly meaningful? Saying goodbye in Irish is wonderfully straightforward with the word slán. It literally translates to safe or whole, and it is a versatile term used as a general farewell. When you say slán, you are essentially wishing someone safety and well-being as they depart or as you do. It is a warm, concise way to express your good wishes at the end of an interaction, whether you are the one leaving or the one staying. The power of slán lies in its linguistic root, which means health, safety, or wholeness. This is why it is much more than just a parting word. When someone says slán to you, they are not just marking the end of a conversation. They are imparting a blessing of good health and protection. This underlying meaning adds a layer of warmth and sincerity that you might not find in a casual English goodbye. Understanding this depth helps you appreciate the true sentiment behind the phrase, enriching your cultural experience. To use slán effectively, remember a few key phrases. For a general goodbye, especially if you are the one leaving, simply say slán. If you plan to see the person again soon, you can add go foil, making it slán go foil, which means goodbye for now. If you are staying and someone else is leaving, you can wish them safe travels by saying slán leat to one person or slán agaibh to a group. Conversely, if they are staying and you are leaving, you can say slán agat to one person or slán lib to a group, wishing them safety. Getting these slight variations right shows a thoughtful effort to engage with the language. The beauty of slán is how it encapsulates a deep cultural value in just one word, a heartfelt wish for safety and well-being. This is why knowing these phrases can open doors, creating moments of genuine connection. People appreciate it when you make an effort to speak a few words of their language, and using slán correctly will certainly bring a smile. It is not just about words, it is about showing respect and engaging with the rich tradition of Irish hospitality. Embracing the Irish farewell of slán allows you to leave a lasting positive impression and truly connect with the spirit of Ireland. It transforms a simple parting into a meaningful exchange, fostering a sense of warmth and mutual respect. By using these phrases, you carry a piece of the Emerald Isle with you, making every goodbye an opportunity for a deeper cultural connection.